While some places experience first warm spring days, it's still winter here. And it will not end anytime soon, as spring arrives here in May. But that's okay. I embrace every season and try to find little joys in every day and everything. Even during the darkest and coldest months.
I wanted an adventure. I wanted something new. I gave you half my heart and figured there is just no trust in you. Fool you, I will fool you, I will fool you. 'Cause you're never gonna get the best of me. Use you, I will use you, I will use you until I am strong enough, until I can break these cups. You and I have tried so hard to make it. You promised me that you would never leave.
Yesterday I saw a video about a treasure hunter who literally hunts sea glass from beaches, and apparently some glasses are very rare and collectible. So today when I came to beach I saw a sea glass and I immediately remembered the story and decided to pick some glass pieces with me, and I will bring them home. I will Google a bit and let's see what I can find.
'Cause you're never gonna get the best of me.
A really lovely green glass. I think these are the bottoms of bottles because they're a little bit like curved out.
You and I made a Tuesday morning.
I'm very into treasure hunting. From now on I will start looking sea glass completely in a different way. Fascinating. I'm really excited. So I will go and search a little bit more. Let's see what I can find. So let me try to show you how I find them. They're literally like in between of little rocks and sand. So it's just important to keep your eyes open, I guess. It's much easier to find the colorful ones. So just scanning, and there's another one. And there's another one.
Fool you, I will fool you, I will fool you. 'Cause you're never gonna get the best of me. Use you, I will use you, I will use you until I am.
I believe that we are in charge of our happiness. I can't change the situation, but I can change how I feel. And this has changed the way I live and feel through the seasons. This year, I'm working on creating a softer life for myself, a life filled with my own moments of luxury. Luxury doesn't have to be extravagant or expensive. It's about savoring the simple pleasures in life. When I think of luxury, I think of living slowly and being present in each moment. Healthy body and mind, a peaceful heart. For me, true luxury is to be able to live in my own rhythm. And this time of the year is not about the speed. It's about slowness, being in the moment and just living. I love to create experiences for myself. Instead of concentrating on what I can't do, I concentrate on things I can do. And if there's a will, there's a way. Every season has something to offer. We just need to find it. Surrounding yourself with an environment that brings you joy is the biggest gift you can make for yourself. So it's time to get creative.
Hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. Doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow. Somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling that the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on. Put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong with a place to lean. In the morning I come desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light of gold. When I return from my spring, I'm remembering the words you told me. Hold on, put me together.
Wow, this one smells so good.
I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone.
Watching sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, I'll follow on the golden, golden, golden things. Mom will high five for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow my golden, golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden. I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Walk up the river by my son. Feet step over splinters of the moon.
So here's my piles of sea glass that I picked up from beach, and I think it seems great to me. And when I look at this chart, it says that it's one of the rarest colors. So maybe I have here something